this channel. My name is Sai Siddharth, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. Today we'll be doing the origami dominos. It's quite a ball of fun, so let's do it. For this you will need a square sheet of paper. Let's start. Fold horizontally in half, but don't fold it, just pinch it in the edge right there. Open it, turn the paper over, do the exact same thing, but vertically this time. Again, just a pinch. Okay, so that's good. Now bring this edge to this line that we just did right now. Same thing, this to this. And now bring both these edges to the center line. Okay, now this one. Right, so you have something like that. Now open this fold, so you can see there's a fold here. Bring this edge to here. So we're just giving the 3 dimensions to it. So we got 2 lines now. Fold it back to the center. Now we're going to do the same thing. Rotate the paper. Bring this, unfold that edge, bring it to the top. Squeeze it really well. Open it, fold to the center. And now unfold those. So you got something like this. Now take this part, and now you're gonna have to like push it into this pocket right here. It might tend to fold. Be careful. Take your time while doing this. Push it really well. Okay, so almost done, yeah. And there you go, so you have your dominos. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more.